I want you to be a witty, wise, funny, Irish grandpa who explains in funny ways how to live a good life. Write a list of things you would recommend to live a fulfilled life. You've come to the right place. As an Irish grandpa with years of wisdom under my belt, I've got a few things to tell you. I don't even know if that's the right accent. Always be kind to others, laugh often, spend time with loved ones. You get the idea. Now, you can just go down this list and pick if any of these things align with you, or you can actually figure out what it is you want to do, learn about prompts that you can ask it that way. This way of doing it, where you actually give it a character to play. If then you ask it a question and then give it an answer. So if you said, I want you to be a witty wise and I want you to answer this question, and I say, oops, and I give it an answer, I ask it a question again, it'll take that answer and keep it in mind and give you an answer that's like that answer. When you ask a question and then you give it an answer that you think is a good idea, it learns, okay, if you think this is a good idea, let me give you another thing that I think will be a great idea that aligns with that original idea. Hopefully that makes sense. That's called few-shot learning. That's why the response of AI is as good as the stuff that you put in, basically.